Welcome to 50 Practical ChatGPT Use Cases for Business, an original and unique high-quality course focused on general and less known use cases you can use in your day-by-day business or for personal achievements. My name is Cristian Scutaru and I'm an experienced data architect and instructor with strong technical background in many areas in software development, big data, and data science. Each use case starts with a hands-on experiment where I apply different useful ChatGPT prompts to transform and present input data in a different manner required by a specific industry. We will generate together RFPs, SOTs, SWOT matrices, exploratory data analysis, emails, business plans, and much more. Each lecture ends up with a brief, properly organized slideshow summary. I'll also offer brief quick tips with interesting findings you may not know about. Several quizzes will also make the course more interactive and help you gradually test your acquired knowledge. Learn about the benefits of using ChatGPT in different situations, not necessarily about the tool itself. Learn about how the tool can be valuable to you and become several times way more productive than before. The course will be yours for life. It comes with a 1 month money back guarantee and I will personally answer your questions in 1 day max. Enroll today and learn these new and exciting ChatGPT prompts that will make your life better for sure and help you progress in your own career.